I guess you already know where I am, especially for those of you who are K-drama fans and those of you who are currently watching the hottest K-drama at the moment, The Startup. I am going to give you a virtual tour of the Oil Tank Culture Park. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hello, this is Wendy. It's getting cold for me. Old age. I need this to cover my head. So before we go around, I want to tell you that I have already blogged about this in 2017. I actually told some friends to put this as one of their itinerary, but they don't come here. Some didn't come here, so now that it's popular, I guess they will come here now as soon as this is open, right? The country is open again. So I have it on my blog. It's in wendyflora.com. Don't forget to check it out after you watch this video. Okay, let's go around now. I'd like to show you the trees. Look, during winter they really dress up the trees to protect the trunk, and on summer or spring they put like fertilizer. They inject a fertilizer, so trees are being taken care of here. Before COVID, there are Friday night markets here, around here, over there, and there were like installations where children can play. There's a toilet, information and toilet. There are seven buildings here. You can check it in my blog, so you can check it there because I have all the information there when it was opened. Because we're near here. I'd been here. You can check out the clips, the photos that I took. It's very nice inside, and they have different exhibitions. So there are tanks. The first one, the tank, the big one, that's not an original tank. So it was constructed for it to be like where people would go first, because there's a cafe there and an exhibition area. So it's winter, it's leafless, there are no leaves. On spring they will have blooms as well. Here's the other side. So this is the walkway going to that main tank. That's where we came from. On the other side is the World Cup Stadium. Okay, let's go forward. This is the main tank, which was not an original tank. They just built this to complement the surroundings. And this is where the cafe is and the exhibition. Ganda, no? Look at the reflection of the sun, the setting sun. Although it's not really sunset yet. The cafe is closed. I think this is the cafe where they shot that film. I'm not sure if I have a photo in the house, file photo of the cafe inside, but I hope I have. This is where they filmed that cafe scene where that Filipina asked, "Where's the toilet?" Alright. It's called Cafe Tank 6. I know I have a photo here as well. Here. Public Building Awards of Korea. This is very nice inside. I wish I could bring you inside, like really bring you around inside, but I guess I can only show you in photo because it's closed. There was a time when there was a wall dance performance here. They had their blankets and ropes, and then they were dancing. It was they are like really gracefully climbing up and down and dancing here in this wall. It was a really superb performance. This is alive, you know. This is a very nice place to be whenever before COVID, because they make lots of programs here. Okay, let's continue. Look at that gorgeous light playing on the trees and the grasses. Okay. This is the scene in Startup, which you might be very familiar with. So look at that wall, rustic wall, closely rusty, to give it, you know, a rustic vibe, an old vibe. Imagine during sunset here. So this is T6. This is Tank 6.
쾌적한 공원 환경 보전을 위하여 공원 이용객 모두가 화재 예방에 힘써주시기 바랍니다. 화장실을 비롯한 공공시설물 이용 시
This is Tank 1.
예절을 지키며 깨끗하게 사용해 주시기
This is Tank 2. This is actually my favorite because there's an outdoor theater at the back. And it's open. So, ang ganda nito, ang ganda. I really love this ambience here. Very old. This used to be an oil depot talaga. Tank 1, Tank 2, Tank 3, and 4. They are real oil depots. And Tank 5 also. T2, that means this is Tank 2. I had a photo there before. I love it. Look at that. I so love this. So imagine if you're performing here. Wait, I'll stop. Okay. This is your stage. You're performing there. Your artists are there. And the audience are there. Imagine that. I so love it. I love how this is really like very artistic. Especially look at that backdrop as well. The mountain is your backdrop. This is the Mebongsan. Mebongsan is one of the mountains here in Sangam. Easy trek, easy trail. Yan. I have a photo in here. I'll show you. That's one of my favorite photos. Of course, because my friend Ingrid took it. That's why it's nice. I think it's nice. Alright. So this is Tank 2 for you. Tank 1, there's nothing in there really. Tank 3 also nothing, but you know, I'll just show you the facade. Sayang lang kasi down there may mga exhibition, may mga exhibition yan eh. Like eto dito yan, outdoor stage. Sa baba may indoor stage. Sayang lang, di ba? We can't really go inside. Look at that. As I mentioned earlier, yung glass na yan, ayan, yan. I really love it there inside. Kasi it's a function room. And then, you can see the natural surrounding when you look out the window. Very, very nice. So, the whole of that building is an exhibition hall sa taas niya. But when times are better, I suggest come over here and check this place out. This is very nice, I promise. I can't stop saying ang ganda, no? Kasi, hindi siya original structure, pero talagang they designed it and they intentionally put that color there para to complement the surroundings and the whole thing, the motif of the whole thing. Nanlalamig na ako, ang lamig. So, going up there, ayan, may nakikita kang stairs, right? Up there is the tank number 3. Pero sa tank number 3, wala talaga. It's not being used. Not for any exhibition, nothing. Ito, I'll show you. Tank 3, sustained oil tank. T3 is a place that holds the history of Mapo Oil Depot. Visitors can appreciate its historical background and situation at that time as it is preserved in its original form. This place is planned to be preserved as it is for future uses and possibilities. It was designated as Seoul Future Heritage in 2013. We went there before, inside. Hindi talaga siya, as in, it really looks abandoned pag tiningnan mo sa loob. Hindi siya, wala, as in nothing. So that's the panoramic view, tank roof. Yeah, may mga protective wall. Ang protective wall, nakagaya nung sa T2 kanina, right? Sa gilid kasi nung tank na yon, may staircase yan. Ayan. And then that's what's inside. Basically nothing. Pero I love that they preserved at least one of the tanks. Ayan, we cannot go up there anymore. So, let's proceed. Dito, punta ka lang dito, date kayo. Overlooking siya ng World Cup, stadium. Tapos, the place itself is nice to walk in. Or, the place itself is very nice to walk around. It was actively used before as a culture space. Look at that. Even that one is so nice, right? Beautiful. Pa-picture nga. Oh, the lights have turned on me already. Okay, let's go. Let's continue. Ayan. Nag-lights on na siya. Ganda. This is T5. Andito yung T4 sa kabila. T5, maganda din dyan sa loob. Nagkaroon din ng shooting dyan eh. I forgot what K-movie. Pero ang ganda din dyan. Tapos, may exhibition hall din siya. So, ang exhibition niya is pa-round. Tapos, you can create any mood in there. Ayan. Ito ang T4. Actually, hindi ako nakapasok sa T4 kahit before. The times I went here, I was not able to go inside T4. But, I was able to go inside T5. Yung dome, parang dome yan sa taas. Ang ganda ng effect niya. Kasi circular siya, right? Tapos, inside is the exhibition hall. Ang ganda ng effect sa loob. Ayan. So, those are the tanks. So, we will not go back there anymore. Doon kanina yung T6. T1, may magandang photo spot din siya. T2 is my favorite among all. T3 is not being used. Yun yung pinaka-preserved. T4, I haven't been inside even before. During those times I came here. T5, tank 5 is beautiful inside. So, there. Ito, pababa na to. We're going to the, like, big plaza down there. Where, as I've mentioned several times, pre-COVID, there are activities being done there. Very convenient location. The World Cup Stadium on the other side. So, if you can read in my blog post link below. This used to be an oil depot, and then it was closed in 2000 because the World Cup, the stadium was built, and the depot, the oil here in the depots are not safe for the building of the stadium. Oh, look at that. So it was stopped, and then no more. It was non-functional the whole time. And then in 2013 they had this citizen thing. The citizens voted as to what will be done, what do they want to do here with this facility, and the citizens of Seoul voted for it to be a culture park. So in 2017, wala namang tao, I'll take it out. So in 2017, this was opened into what it is now, the Oil Tank Culture Park. Tapos nagiging active place pa siya for the citizens. So there. So I guess that's it. Nilalamig na ako, and although walang tao around here, I need to put this on. So I guess I have to stop for now. I hope you like our virtual tour and you can imagine the K-drama The Startup while watching this video. Please, again, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you'll know whenever I upload new videos. Till the next one!